Hey guys, John at Fix a Fence here, just taking some pictures of a job we got out here in Southwest Portland. Really nice job. About 175, 200 feet of 4-foot high black chain link. But man, as you can tell by the house behind me, they have a lot of property here. Check this out. I'm gonna take you through a little bit of what we got going on down here. So it's a 4-foot high chain link fence. And this is kind of where it starts at, or where it stops, whatever. There's 4-foot high. And then we're going to come down here probably about 10 feet, maybe 20 feet, you know, to the bottom. We'll have a bias right here. And then we're going to run up this way here by about 80 feet, over and around, and wherever, depends on where the tree's going to allow us to dig in the roots here. We're going to stop here, probably move over, and then we're going to hit into that terminal back there, close this off. They already got 4-foot high fence here, but they want to close it off for their dog. And then a while back, a couple of trees fell down here, took out about 20 feet of chain link fence there. And so I got my guys here, all prep work right now. They're gonna dig the holes. They're gonna get all that taken care of eventually. I got them on here. We're gonna start today, and I plan on having them here tomorrow and probably Friday too. So, and we're gonna come up here to the front of the part of the house here, see what we got going on up there. But check this house out, guys. Look at that. I mean, and the lady's a neurosurgeon. She's a neurosurgeon, dude. Guys, how much money they make. But, you know, yeah. But, so, anyway, so in the back there, the fence stops, and then it stops, and they want us to wrap it around the tree here. And then we'll bring it up, we'll connect to this post here. Then she's at an additional 42 feet up there, 8 feet over. We're going to reuse the gate here, and we got to make a couple of flange posts to put in here at the concrete. But other than that, that's the job in a nutshell. So anyway, yeah. Now that I'm out of breath, I'm up at the top of the hill, and I just want to say, hey, keep smiling, have a great day.